Okay, when I'm using my GoPro, I usually just shoot video. I really don't shoot photos. If I'm shooting video at 5.3K, I can always do a screenshot. It's going to be better than any photo that I try to take. So when I press on this and turn it on, I'm in a preset of video. Now you can change that to the last thing you did, like photo or time lapse or video or whatever it is. But mine always comes up video because that's what I shoot. But if you want to change that, I'll show you how you do it. You slide down, you slide over, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on here, and then you're going to go to general, and then you're going to see default preset. All right, last used video. If I click here, I could have it the last thing that I did, which was, it could have been photo or video or time lapse, or it could be, last used photo. I'm going to keep it on video if I can get it there, and I think that's the best. Now to get out of this, you got to kind of click over here, and then you got to click up here, and then you got to click it again. And then you got to slide up, and you can see there I am. That's my preset. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.